My passion for cooking, I would say, absolutely started with my mom. The passion was just, for Thai food, my connection to the culture.
I was born in Northeast and then moved in Bangkok. Tom was in Soviet and Vietnam War. Had Mac a year later, and we came home. Mac was only 4 months old.
It's really important to us to kind of pass along not only the food culture, but the culture.
And the Northeast food, mostly we grill and we do like salad without oil and all that. It's very light.
I remember the first day there was a Thai restaurant in Seattle. It was like 1984. And it was right down the street from our house here on Broadway. And I would smell this amazing food coming, and it just kind of sparked this memory of being a kid and everything that my mom made. And that, really for me, just kind of said, why aren't we doing this? Why shouldn't we do this? My mom's sauces are passed down from her family and what she's learned from her mother.
I remember how it tastes, my parents cooked for me, so I learned from then on.
Cooking from our heritage has defined ThaiFusions. Being that we're so close to all these fresh ingredients in Seattle, it's so easy for us to go to Ballard and get fish directly off the boat.
That's about 2 pounds right there.
Yeah.
Does that look right?
Yeah.
Her creative process is really just putting it all together and tasting as she goes along.
Yeah, just dump everything in. I don't even follow recipes.
That's mainly one of the things I've taken away from her the most.
Vinegar for me, honey. I think I need more vinegar. My enjoy relaxing thing is cooking. That is my favorite thing to do.
Usually we'll put like a salmon and some prawns and some mussels, together. Pa chu chi, which is a Thai salmon dish. That's my mom. It's the stuff we've grown up on. She doesn't compromise. She's not gonna let you slip. She's not gonna let you, half-ass it. She's gonna be on top of you, making sure you do it right.
End of the day, you're always gonna be family.
Just to see where she's come from it's inspiring.